Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into an honest review of Alibaba Cloud Object Storage Service, or OSS. This service is a cloud storage solution offered by Alibaba Cloud, and in this review, we aim to give you a completely unbiased perspective on its strengths and weaknesses. It's crucial to conduct thorough research before committing to any cloud service. So let's get started and explore what Alibaba Cloud OSS has to offer. Alibaba Cloud Object Storage Service, or OSS, boasts key features and capabilities centered around scalability and durability. They claim it's exceptionally scalable to handle your growing storage needs and offers data redundancy and availability guarantees. It's worth examining how these features stack up against other cloud storage solutions on the market. OSS also provides different storage classes, namely Standard, Infrequent Access, and Archive. Each class has distinct cost differences and is designed for specific use cases, so carefully consider which one best suits your data access patterns for optimal cost efficiency. On the security front, OSS incorporates encryption, access control lists, and RAM policies to protect your data. We'll need to assess just how effective these features are and whether they meet required compliance certifications. Finally, OSS is deeply integrated with the Alibaba Cloud ecosystem, offering seamless connections with other services like ECS and CDN. This integration can bring both benefits and drawbacks, impacting your overall workflow and potentially affecting your costs. Let's dive into pricing and cost analysis for Alibaba Cloud OSS. Understanding the pricing structure is crucial, so we'll break down the components such as storage costs, data transfer fees, and charges for requests. We'll then illustrate this with realistic usage scenarios, giving you concrete cost examples. To provide a complete picture, we'll also compare OSS pricing with its main competitors, like AWS S3 and Google Cloud Storage. Moving on, we'll uncover potential hidden costs, including early deletion fees or data retrieval charges, and give you helpful tips on how to avoid these unexpected expenses. Finally, we'll explore cost optimization strategies, suggesting techniques like implementing lifecycle policies and utilizing data compression to reduce your OSS expenses. We'll also discuss the importance of diligently monitoring your usage and optimizing your storage class selection to ensure you're getting the most cost-effective solution. Let's now delve into the performance and reliability aspects of Alibaba Cloud OSS. We'll begin by presenting data on upload and download speeds, drawing from our own testing or user feedback, while also keeping in mind those factors like geographic location and network conditions that can have a major impact. It's useful to compare the performance against competing services to see how OSS stacks up. Next, let's examine the latency experienced when accessing data, and also evaluate the availability SLAs that Alibaba Cloud advertises. User reports on actual uptime and reliability provide crucial insights here. Finally, region selection can significantly affect performance, so we'll analyze this impact and recommend specific regions based on your location and target audience to help you make the best choice. Let's discuss ease of use and management. We'll begin with the console interface, focusing on the usability and intuitiveness of the Alibaba Cloud Console specifically for managing your object storage service. We'll point out both the strengths and weaknesses of the interface design. Next, we'll assess the command line interface, or CLI tool, and how well it manages OSS resources, discussing its overall capabilities and how suitable it is for automation tasks. Then, we'll evaluate the available SDKs and APIs which allow you to integrate OSS with your own applications, noting the supported programming languages and how easy it is to get everything working together. Finally, we'll take a look at the documentation and support provided by Alibaba Cloud for OSS, judging the quality and completeness of the documentation itself, and detailing the available support options and their overall responsiveness. Let's delve into some potential drawbacks and considerations when using Alibaba Cloud's object storage service. First, there's the potential for vendor lock-in, which can occur when you become heavily reliant on Alibaba Cloud-specific services and technologies. To mitigate this risk, it's wise to adopt a multi-cloud strategy, utilize open standards, and ensure data portability. Next, you might encounter compliance challenges related to data residency requirements and various regulations. To address these, carefully review and understand the applicable laws, and consider data encryption and region selection options. We must also acknowledge geopolitical factors that could influence the use of Alibaba Cloud services, and finally, consider data privacy concerns that naturally arise when storing data with a foreign cloud provider. Be sure to implement robust security measures, understand Alibaba Cloud's data privacy policies, and comply with relevant data protection laws. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please. Let's wrap things up by summarizing the main pros and cons of Alibaba Cloud OSS that we discussed. Based on our review, we'll provide a balanced recommendation, but keep in mind that every user's needs are unique. So, before you make a final decision, we strongly encourage you to do your own research, explore the service, and even conduct some testing to see if it aligns with your specific requirements. Finally, we'd love to hear from you. If you have any personal experiences with Alibaba Cloud OSS, please share them in the comments section below. Your insights could be incredibly helpful to other viewers who are considering this service.